Close your eyes for a moment and let yourself feel the gentle rhythm of your breath. The inhale drawing in life, the exhale releasing weight that was never meant to be carried. Allow your awareness to drop into your body and feel your feet on the ground. Feel the support beneath you. And let yourself know this moment is safe. Bring to mind the heaviness you often carry, perhaps sadness that arrives without reason, anger that belongs to someone else's storm, or exhaustion that feels foreign in your bones. Whisper inwardly, "This is not mine. This was never mine. I honor it and I release it." This is not mine. This was never mine. I honor it and I release it. And feel what shifts inside you. Now imagine golden threads of light extending from your body to all the places you have left fragments of yourself. A difficult conversation, a tense family moment, an overwhelming crowd. See those threads gently returning, carrying your essence back into your chest. Breathe as your body fills with your own presence and whisper, "I call back all parts of me. I return to myself." Feel the warmth building in your heart, the strength re-entering your belly, the clarity rising in your mind. Around you, visualize a sphere of golden light, 3 feet out in every direction, surrounding you, embracing you. Its edges are clear, radiant, and intact. This is not a wall, this is a membrane, allowing love, inspiration, and joy to flow freely, while keeping out what does not belong to you. With each breath, the boundary strengthens. With each exhale, you whisper, "I radiate light. I no longer absorb what is not mine." Now, place your hand on your solar plexus, just above the navel. This is the seat of personal power. Press gently, breathe deeply, and whisper, "I belong to myself. I am a master in my field. I feel with others, but I do not carry for them." Let this truth settle into your subconscious like ink soaking into paper, permanent and complete. Now imagine walking into a space where you would normally feel drained, perhaps a crowded room, a difficult workspace, or a family gathering. See yourself entering with this golden field around you. You notice the emotions of others, yes, but they remain outside of your sphere. You feel compassionate, connected, and at the same time grounded. Notice how much energy remains in your body and notice how much clarity remains in your mind. This is your natural state, open, radiant, and protected. Take a final breath in through the nose and exhale fully through the mouth. Anchor this practice with one final whisper. My energy is my own. I shine without absorbing. I radiate without leaking. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. This practice is complete.